Hi guys, welcome to Ipsens Pro. Welcome to another video, another Shopify how-to video where I'll go in detail about collection filters. So if you want to add custom filters on your collection page, if you want to add default filters and how actually the filter works, then this video is for you because in this video I'll go every single thing in detail after the latest update, after the latest Shopify Dawn theme 15.0.0 update. You can follow this video and implement it really easily without needing any developer. So without further ado, let's get into the screen. So guys, that's my development store where I have multiple sections showing up, and I wanted to show you guys that what you can achieve by subscribing this channel, because I have created a lot of free sections for you guys. So if you subscribe this channel, you'll be getting that for free. So for example, this is one of the sections where you can see the video is on autoplay and continuously loading on loop. And this feature is not yet available on default Dawn theme. But if you subscribe to this channel and check out the link in the description, you will find that you can install this section on any of your theme very easily without paying anything and without needing to install any app. I have several other tutorials created, including this discount % badge, which is animated, and a fact section, the icon slider, the lookbook section, and the custom contact form section. And all of these sections are for you guys, so you don't have to code anything. These are ready-made sections, so all you have to do is just create a new section, copy and paste the provided code, and you can have this functionality. For this video, we are talking about the filters. So for now, if I click on all products where all of my products are showing up, I don't have any filters showing up, and I have this sort by feature. Now what I will do first, I'll first install the basic filters on my collection page. And what are the basic filters? Like price and availability. So these are the basic filters which we'll be adding. So first thing first is that you'll have to install Search and Discovery app. So this is the app which you will have to install, and it's a free of cost app which is available by Shopify. So it's a free app available by Shopify which you have to install in order to add the filters on your store. Now once you install that app, and if you navigate to online store and click on navigation, previously we had the option to add filters from here. You can see collection and search filters, but now you will have to install this Shopify Search and Discovery app in order to add filters to your store. Now first thing what we will do is add basic filters like price and availability. Now let's do that. So let's open up that Search and Discovery app. And here we will click on filters and then click on add filter. And you can see we have this empty. We don't have anything showing up. So we'll just click on search filter sources. And here we have these standard filters showing up. So let's first add availability filter and then click on save. Now after adding this filter, if we go back to our collection page, it might take a few minutes in order to show up, but it will eventually show up. So let's click refresh and see if it's showing up. Okay, we have the availability filter showing up. So you can see that we have 3 products out of stock and 8 products in stock. Cool, right? Let's add the other default filter, which is price. So let's click on add filter again from Shopify Search and Discovery app, and then search for price and then click on save. Go back, and now we have availability and price filter showing up. Now let's go back to our all products collection and hit refresh. Here we go. We have availability and price filter showing up. Cool, right? Guys, before proceeding any further, there is a offer through which you can sign up to your new Shopify store with just $1 a month. So if you are new to Shopify and you want to create your own Shopify store with a discounted price, link in the description. If you sign up through that link, you'll get your store for just $1 a month. Let's proceed with the video. Okay, now let's explore some other filters which we have. So I'm going to go back to Search and Discovery, click on add filter and click on source. And here we can add a filter for category. So if you have different product categories, you can add this filter. This one is for product type, this one is for vendor, and this one is for if you have added multiple tags in your product. And here we have, so if we go scroll down more, here we have product options. So these are basically variants of our products which are showing up here. So I have few products where I have a variation of club. So if I open up my product backend and open up this product, for example, you can see I have this club variant option added on my product page, color and size, and all of these are showing up on my search and discovery app below product options. So let's add in the color and see how it works. Now you can see we have these values showing up. Click on save. And let's check it out. Click refresh on the collection page. And here we have the filter to filter out the colors which we don't need. So if you just want the black color, it will show the products with the black color. And if you want the option, you can simply select that out. You can also multi-select it. Click on remove all to remove the filter. Now, what if you want to add custom filter? What if you want to add a filter from Metafield? So I want to have a Metafield which will filter out my product based on age, or let's do material this time. So I have some products where I have material used from cotton, and I have some products from polyester material. So let's add in a custom filter with the help of Metafield. Now let's go back to the backend of my store. I'm going to click on settings, and then I'm going to click on custom data. And here we have option to create custom data, which is also called Metafield. Click on products here. And I'm going to create a new Metafield by clicking on add definition. And now let's name our Metafield material. And you can add any Metafield, like if you want to add custom filter for age, or you have fabric, whatever custom filter you want to add, you can do that using Metafield as well. Okay, now I'm going to select the type as single line text, and I just want the one value. I don't need the list of values. You can also add the validation here if you want to, but I don't want any filtration. Now make sure to check this box, toggle this on, because that's the option where it will give you an option to add in filters. Okay, now click on save. And now after creating this Metafield, I'm going to add value on my product backend about this Metafield. So let's go back to the products. And for this product, I'm going to add the value as, so these are the Metafields, and that's the meta object. So I have created a detailed video about the meta object as well. I'll put the link in the description, because meta object is something not completely different. It's basically creating a new object within Shopify. So we have this product here as an object of Shopify. You can have the custom object showing up within the content, which I have showing up as creators. Again, this is another separate topic, and I have already created a video for that as well. So these are the meta objects which I have created, and you can also display swatches on your filters, right? Using meta objects. I have shown this on my meta object video. I'll put the link in the description. So please avoid this creators Metafield, as this is linked with the meta object. So let's add in our material. I'm going to name it 100% cotton. And let's fill in some other details for other products. So I'm going to add value for few other products. Let's open this up in a new tab. Let's open this one as well. And in this product, I'll add 50% 100% polyester. And again, on the that product, I'm going to add in the same value. Okay, after adding the value, now we need this meta field showing up on our filter in the collection page. How we can do that? So let's go to our search and discovery app, and here click on filters and then click on art filter and then search for filter sources. Here we will find our custom meta field option. So here we have this material showing up from Metafield which we created. Again, don't worry about this creator because that's a meta object, which is a different thing. So let's click on material, and here you can see we have the values showing up. Now click on save, and let's go back to our collection page to see if our custom filter creator is showing up or not. So as you can see, we have this custom filter showing up, and you can see we have one product from our cotton and the other product is from polyester, other two products from polyester. Cool, right? That's it for the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe the channel to watch more Shopify related videos. Until next video, have a great day.